I'm Julie from Acadsoc. Welcome back to ChitChat. Here you will find more about TMs and Acadsoc. June 1st is International Children's Day. First of all, I would like to say Happy Children's Day to our lovely students and all the kids. Second, I would like to congratulate to the 3 winners who got the most awards from the Acadsoc drawing contest. I hope next time I can see more of our tutors who are participated in the competition. Please pay attention to our tutor client banner to receive the latest Acadsoc news and events. If you like us, please give us a thumbs up and share to your friends and family. The most important is to subscribe our YouTube channel to receive the latest Acadsoc news and events. Today we have invited TM Holly and her top tutor Marja. Maja is a tutor who got 39 enrollments last May, and Holly also ranked top 10 over all the TMs. Let's welcome TM Holly and tutor Marja. Hi Holly.
Hello.
Welcome to ChitChat. Please introduce yourself first.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm TM Holly from Acadsoc. I'm from TM 1B3, and I'm very happy to be here today.
How long you have been working here?
I have been working in Acadsoc for more than 1 year.
Okay, and how many trial tutors in your team now?
Now in my team there are more than 100 tutors.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi everyone, I am teacher Maja and I'm one of the top tutors from TM Holly's team. Thank you for inviting me to this chit chat and giving me an opportunity to share my teaching experience here at Acadsoc. When it comes to my hobbies, I enjoy singing, dancing and cooking, even though I'm not very good at it. And I must say that teaching has become a very important part of my life, and seeing my students and their smiling faces is my daily dose of happiness. I have been working here for 2 years now, and I hope for many years to come.
So do you think working as a trial tutor is really a hard thing?
Yes, I think it's not easy since we not only need to train them to give them trial classes, we also need to care about their life. We need to care about their family. If they have some troubles in their home, we need to give them the help.
Okay, that is great. I think you work more than a tutor manager, but you are also like a friend for them.
Yes, that's right.
That is a great thing. Okay, so what kind of training and help you usually give to your trial class tutor?
We do the routine training for them every day, checking their videos and give them the advice. We also book the MT training for them, and also we need to send the videos from other teachers to the group chat and ask them to check the videos to see if there's any improvement.
That is great. I think you really spend a lot of time that just research how to help them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
My secret to great performance would definitely be listening to my TM's advice. Constructive criticism is always welcome, and it helps us to become better tutors, to improve our teaching style, and of course to get more enrollments. So I do believe that learning is a never-ending process and there is always room for improvement. In the past few months, I've had one-on-one coaching with my former TM Jacob. I also had some training sessions with MT Moy and MT Amy, and my TM Holly sends me the tips for the upcoming trial classes and tells me what I should pay more attention to. when I became a trial tutor, I had a really hard time only because I missed having classes with my regular students. But now I got used to it and I enjoy being a trial tutor. Every day I have a chance to meet new students and they never fail to impress me with their knowledge. We have fun while learning and those interactions with them are priceless. All trial class tutors have to deal with a lot of pressure, and that is because we have only one chance to impress the students and their parents, and of course to get that enrollment. So there are a few things that I do to keep myself calm, and I would like to share them with others. Tip number 1, when you finish the class, enter the new classroom right away to avoid being late. And while you're waiting for your student, you can use that time to leave class remarks, to drink some water, don't forget to stay hydrated, and to stretch your legs. Tip number 2 is preparation. Preparation is the key to success. So props like toys or flashcards and of course the rewards, everything should be within your hand's reach, because this will not only save you some time, but it will also make your classes interactive. And tip number 3, of course, try to have fun while teaching and approach every class with a positive attitude. Having a bad performance is not a big deal. It happens, but I always try to stay positive because there's a saying, even after the worst storms, the sun will shine again. So don't worry.
So, how do you think of the relationship between TM and the trial class tutor?
I think there are two kinds of relationships between us. The first one is the teachers and the students. We are the teachers for the teachers. We need to check the videos and give them the guidance and try our best to make them better. Also, we are the friends. We just chat every day and to know each other and just give some updates from our lives.
Having a good relationship with our TMs is crucial because in my opinion, they play the most important role in our career path here at Acadsoc. They guide us, they help us, they point to the things that we should work on, and sometimes they are the only link to our students. So I think we should have mutual understanding and respect because that is the key to having a good relationship. And TM Holly, well, she's my new TM, and so far working under her guidance has been nothing but joy. She's responsible for my great performance, and when I got some enrollments, she was very excited, which made me very happy. And when I had a problem, she did a wonderful job with handling it.
That is also funny, I think. Okay, so how often you contact with your trial class tutors, and what if you have some conflict with them? How you deal with the situation?
I contact with them every day, and if we have some conflicts, I will firstly think what kind of problem it is from them or from me. If it is from me, I will think I should apologize at first, and I will come up with the solution. We always solve the problem in a peaceful way.
That is great. Okay.
TM Holly and I exchange the messages, and I would say daily. Sometimes she would send me the tips, as I mentioned before, and I usually contact her when I have a question or concern. Of course, I try to handle everything by myself, and sending her a message would be my last option, because I know that not only she, but all TMs are very busy and some new tutors need more assistance than we do. And the conflict question, well, word conflict doesn't exist in my vocabulary when it comes to my TM and me. We should have mutual understanding, be patient and kind to one another, because that is the key to having a good relationship.
So what kind of advice you would like to give to all the child class tutors?
I think all of you can do a good job in your child classes. The only thing you need to do is trust in yourself and learn from each other.
Dear TM Holly, thank you for being supportive and kind to me. I do appreciate it greatly. Knowing that you are always there for me makes my job here at Acadsoc easy. And my advice to other trial tutors is to never give up, because hard work pays off. Remember that it takes a big heart to shape little minds, and being a teacher is a rewarding job. I would also like to thank my team members and other tutors that have been very friendly and helpful. We are all one big family, and we should continue helping each other. With that being said, thank you for having me in today's chit-chat, and dear tutors, happy teaching!
That's all for this video. If you like us, please give us a thumbs up and share to your friends and family.
Feel free to leave the TM's name and everything you want to know in the comments section. We will select our next topic and guests from comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to receive the latest Acadsoc news and events. Thanks for coming here, Yuli and Maja, and thanks for watching. I will see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye.